Good morning, Auto Anatomy family. I have a problem that I need your help with. So if you follow any of our social media accounts, Facebook, Instagram, the community page on our YouTube channel, and especially if you're a channel member, you know that one of the things that we're working on for the flooded Corvair is a new instrument panel that is a little bit more accurate than the factory gauges. So this is what we're working on. We're going to be replacing the factory gauges with a 2.1 inch display LCD that is programmable, customizable, and most importantly, accurate. So we're going to be replacing all 6 of the gauges at some point, but here's where I need your help. So the factory had this little black metal insert that went behind the clear lens here that gave something for contrast against the gauge so you could read the numbers a little bit easier. But what it does is it drops the effective gauge diameter from 2 inches down to like 1.3 inches. So drop a comment below. Let me know what you think you would do. Do you make a 2-inch gauge, get rid of this piece entirely so it looks a little bit bigger, so you've got more display to see, but less accurate, less original looking? Or do we keep the little black metal piece in place and drop our gauge diameter down to 1.3 inches? Drop a comment below, let me know, and you will be seeing this on our YouTube channel. So if you're not a subscriber, take just a second, hit that subscribe button, and that way you can keep up to date on what's going on with this project. But thanks for watching. Take care of yourselves. God bless. We'll see you soon.